Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Land Rover Discovery. It's not the touchscreen sat-nav version, as you can see. This is in the SE. It's nice and simple. So all you have to do, switch on, click on phone. It's saying select phone. Now, if you click the arrow that way, it will show you what phones are available. However, if we go to settings and then we'll watch out at the bottom, Land Rover comes up. We click on Land Rover. Bluetooth pairing, use pin 8749. 8749. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. And basically that's it. That's it connected. If we go back, we'll just see Range Rover. What is it at the top? Let's have a look. I've got too many things connected. Land Rover connected. So that's it.